Greetings, my lovely ones. How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. I am BeautyETC. I'm a makeup enthusiast. I'm a makeup artist, and I love all things beauty. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of Glamlite's beautiful eyeshadow palettes called the MIKAYLA palette. It looks like this. I finally got my hands on it. It was sold out for the longest. This is what the packaging looks like. That's what the back looks like. That's her pretty face. Very beautiful face of MIKAYLA. She's a makeup artist. She's on Instagram and she has a note at the back, you know. So yeah, I decided to finally try this and see my thoughts. If you want to see what I really think about this palette, you should stick to the end. Thank you for coming. If you like the content, please do the needful. Subscribe, leave a comment. I will always reply to you. So let's go to the next slide. Let's get into it. Glamlite Cosmetics. I love the brand. I love their packaging. Their packaging is super amazing. It's always a delight to get any cosmetic eyeshadow palette that I order from this brand because it's so creative. You don't want to throw the packages away. It's owned by Giselle Hernandez, and it's like a foodie brand, you know. I love the donut, the cake, the ice cream, pizza, all of that good stuff. And let's talk about the eyeshadows. Super pigmented, beautiful. This particular palette that I'm using is by MIKAYLA. MIKAYLA Noguera is just 23 years old. She's a makeup artist from Massachusetts, doing the thing. These young ladies are out here on these streets doing the thing. I'm using 3 colors for this palette. I'm using Freetown in my crease. I'm using Loop. That popping lemony color you see on my eyelid is Loop, and then I'm also going to be using Stunning. So some of the oh yeah, and then right there on my brow bone I'm using Handy, which is like a yellow. So the mattes were kind of a little bit hard to work with. They're like hard mattes, so you have to do a little work. But the shimmers, I started using my fingers to apply, then I had to go to the brush because it just wasn't giving with the fingers, you know. And for this video I'm doing a voiceover because while filming this video, it was one of those days. I was just feeling icky. I don't know if you guys have this kind of days, but I'm sure you do. I say more about this in the video, but it was one of those days, so I just had to do a voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in my next video. Let's get into it. And I'm sorry that I'm always last for these things, but it is what it is, okay? I'm just not here. I'm just not present. I don't know if you, I'm sure, I mean, I shouldn't say I don't know. I'm sure everybody goes through those kind of days, right? Nothing was working. Even the makeup was just going sideways, you know? And I'm like, what is going on? What is it? I don't know. I don't know. Forgive me for making this like a total voiced over. It's because your girl is not truly herself today. Just pushing, you know. Sometimes it could be like that. What do I do? And the purpose of me actually even coming to see how the face is sculpted is coming together. The purpose of me even, you know, telling you guys about this is for one reason and one reason alone. For those of you that may actually be going through these kind of things for whatever reason, sometimes I can place a hand on it and sometimes I can't place a finger on it, or a hand, as the case may be. I listen to gospel songs a lot. I really do. It just lifts up my spirit. It makes me feel better. I know it's looking really nice in camera, the makeup, but it's the translucent powder that I'm using, I'm not too fond of it. It's causing my concealer to break, and I do not like that at all. So I'm going to have to fix it because I can see it in the mirror. Right under my eyes, the concealer is cracking or breaking. If you wear makeup, you will understand. So I'm going to quickly fix it and attempt to fix this thing. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl powder foundation. My shade is, I do not know, it is 332 Golden Caramel. Looks like, oops, looks like that. Okay, that's my shade. Okay, Golden Caramel. I was about to say Golden Camel. So yeah, this is about all the talking you guys are gonna hear in this video. So that's how I fix that, and it looks way better. It just needs to be blended. Yes, I know. Yes, I know, guys. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Always blend. So yeah, I listen to gospel music a lot. I listen to it a lot. Gospel music has saved my life. If you have a gift of singing, girl, sing. Honey, I like to sing. I don't particularly have a voice for it, but best believe I like to sing. Find that one thing that actually makes you happy, that makes you smile, that lifts up your spirit, and engage in that thing. Do not stay down. Do not stay in that down mood. Find something. Look, some people's vices are drinking and whatnot. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just sharing with you what helps me in those times. So yes, let's get back to the silent video while I listen to my music while doing this video. I'm almost done anyways. What do you think? Should I stay here with you guys and just chit chat? I don't have anything to talk about. That was it. So let me hear you guys in the comment. Sound off. Let's hear you. I have been forgetting to do this step highlighter. I'm so out of it today. This is the look as you saw in the beginning. I enjoyed the palette to an extent. I did not really like the mattes. The mattes were, you know, not sticking, even though I used a wet base. There was a lot of kick up. The shimmer, on the other hand, amazing. Super nice, super easy. You could use your fingers. They're buttery and nice, and they lay nice in it. I didn't even need a glitter glue to achieve the look on my eyes. So yes, I'm finally getting my hands on it. I'm finally jumping on the wagon. Yay. You know, I'm not the first person to try out any makeup products. I let the other people do it. Plus, I really can't get it on time enough to give a review. So, you know, make I day my lane. Make I day my lane, my line, you know. My dear, don't run other people's race. You just faint. You faint. Go at your own pace. Don't look at other people. Don't try to follow their pace because you don't know what they're doing. You don't know what kind of exercise they're doing in their house. Don't try and drive as fast as the other driver, because guess what? If the police is going to catch somebody, it's probably going to be you trying to drive as fast as the other person. So stay in your lane. So me, I stay in my lane. I'm not the first to go get products. There are people that can do that, that will do that, and maybe one day I'll get there, be able to give you my first impression so you know what to get or whether not to get the item one day. But for now, we are always the last people. We try our own products like 20 years after the fact. You know, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Do the needful, subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up my video. I will see you in my next video.